Lying at 4,200 meters, the massive WW2 submarine is a time capsule. Its hull now home.
Begin deployment sequence, slowly now. Winch drums engaging, cables running out. We have visual on the target wreck structure.
Confirmed. Descent rate slowing slightly as we approach the seafloor.
Vessel 1, maintain tension on the forward starboard cable.
Roger that, holding steady at 50 tons.
Look at her coming up. What a sight.
Cable's holding steady. She's stable.
This red zone on the wireframe shows the thickness is off by 3 millimeters compared to the specs.
Okay, I'm documenting the coordinates and the variant.
Look at this section near the bow plane. The color mapping shows significant deviation.
Yes, the red zone confirms sub-millimeter deformation right on the weld seam. Log it.
Keep it steady. Watch the conduit on the left. Get that clamp secured now. Dropping the line. Clear. Make sure it hits the barrier. Copy that.
Slow descent initiated. Keep watching those pinch points. We have clearance at the collar.
At the midpoint, we have 12.004.
And the lower limit.
12.007. We should record that.
Keep the pressure steady, eh?
Jack's holding fine on this side.
Watch the heat signature.
Slow descent, maintain alignment.
Reading 0.005 degrees, coming down steady.
Clear on deck 3.
The starboard side is still reading high.
I'm showing 0.003.
Adjust the forward jack down another thousandth.
As you can see on the graph, the efficiency stabilized right after the adjustment.
And the analyzer confirms 99.2%.
Audio is dominated by the sounds of an industrial workspace. The prominent sounds are the electric hum and hydraulic whine.
Station 5, audio check. Testing. 1, 2, 3.
Reading you loud and clear.
Volume nominal.
Slow the descent, we have alignment. Roger, holding position. Confirm green on all indicators.
Power edge 1U, sliding into U24.
Confirmed. Engaging seismic bracket screws now.
Okay, easy now. We're showing drift on the starboard side. Lower the forward cable by 2 millimeters.
Copy that, lowering forward cable.
We are centered, dead on the mark.
Set the pressure now, start to 30 seconds.
Got it. The laser alignment looks good too.
Drift rate holding steady at 0.005.
Voltage reference stable within the microvolt threshold.
Readings confirmed, criteria met, logging the serial number.
One-inch clearance observed, slow and steady. Roger, she's seating now. Confirmed seat, stand by for lock sequence.
All right, easy on the chain fall, watch the clearance.
Roger that, coming down slowly.
sonar, contact bearing 0902. We have a positive classification on the propulsion signature. It's a Sierra 2 contact.
Ensure primary coolant parameters remain steady. Adjust rod E5 as needed.
Hi, engineering officer. Control reports stable operation.
Flooding secured in the forward compartment. Pumps maintaining level.
Roger. Control room copies. Well done, team. Commence the debrief.
We need those rolls ready for the first seating.
Already rising, Chef.
How's the batter looking? Smooth?
Almost done, Chef.
Fire, fire, fire. Auxiliary machine room.
Continue applying foam. Secure the power to that panel.
Bearing 0-35, range 1 mile.
Sir, the cross current requires a course correction to port.
Very well. Course 0-42, maintain speed.
Dial indicator shows less than 2 thousandths run out.
Acceptable. And the flow rate is steady at 2 gallons per minute.
Okay, the clearance on cylinder 3 is sitting right at 15 thousandths.
Good. Lock it down and let's move to the next bank.
Attention all stations, injecting new contacts. Sierra 1 bearing 0900, submerged threat. Weapons control, develop firing solution. Torpedo away, mark the time.
Blow all tanks. Full rise on the planes.
Acknowledged. Blowing all tanks, sir.
Surface is clear. Bearing 090.
Admiral, the inspection party is assembled. We are ready for your review.
Very well, Commander. Lead the way. I want to look closely at these forward planes.
Busy naval planes.
Helmsman, new course 090, maintain order depth 400 feet.
Hey, sir. New course 090, 400 feet.
Verify classification on Master 1.
Surface merchant, sir. Blade rate confirms.
Captain, fire control, firing point procedures Master 1, tube 1.
Bridge to control. Surface conditions are extreme. We are commencing the pre-dive checklist now, preparing to submerge.
Mark, bearing to surface contact.
Stay there. We need to optimize the transit timing through the choke point here.
Agreed. The current threat assessment shows a high probability of detection if we delay. We need to finalize the transit timing for that choke point.
The current puts us right in the threat envelope.
Adjusting course by 3 degrees north avoids the patrol box entirely.
General quarters! All hands man your battle stations.
All stop, maintain depth.
Aye, sir. Holding at 1,000 feet. No leaks observed. Hull integrity confirmed.
Welcome home, Daddy.
I missed you guys so much.
On behalf of the crew, thank you for the warm welcome. It is our distinct pleasure to have you here.